Hi friend, as you saw from the title, if you've purchased books from Amazon and have a Kindle device, you only have until February 26 to download them to your PC or Mac. After that, Amazon will no longer allow this option. In my previous video, I showed you how to bulk download your books and save a ton of time, especially if you have hundreds and some of you have even thousands of books. It seems folks appreciated that, and since then I've gathered a lot of feedback from your comments and contributions from others. So in this video I'm bringing you an updated script and hopefully an even smoother process to make this as easy as possible. The script we will be using was originally created by Chris Hollindale, and huge credit goes to him. But today I will be using an upgraded version by Daniel Winkler. Again, massive thanks to these guys. Daniel's update automatically skips sample books and Kindle Unlimited books, so the script doesn't get stuck on those anymore. This makes the whole process much faster. There are other scripts out there, but from my experience, Chris' script and Daniel's improved version work flawlessly, so that's what I will be showing you. Now, I know looking at JavaScript may seem intimidating, but please don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step and you will see that it's actually pretty simple. And hey, if this video helps you, please give it a like and drop a comment so more people can see it before it's too late. Alright, let's get started. Before I show you the process, there are a few important details you need to know. These will save you time and increase the chances of everything working smoothly. First, you must have a Kindle device registered to your Amazon account. Otherwise, this method won't work. If you don't have a registered Kindle, you will most likely see the message you don't have any compatible devices registered for this content. Also, this process won't work if you're using one of the latest Kindle models like the Matcha, the latest lineup essentially, Colorsoft, Paperwhite 12th Gen or the latest Kindle Scribe. Second, if you're getting a save prompt for every book and it won't let you continue, this is because of your browser settings. If you're using Chrome, here's how to fix it. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Downloads, and disable the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. This will allow the script to download everything automatically. Third, you need to enable developer mode in your browser for this to work. So if you're on Chrome, here's what to do. Click on the three dots once again in the top right corner, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and at the top right you will see developer mode. By default, this is off, so make sure to turn it on. Lastly, if there are any updates or changes to this process, I will leave a pinned comment with any information or suggestions that come up in the next few days. So be sure to check that out if you run into any issues. Now let's go through the step-by-step process to get everything set up and running. First, we need to install TamperMonkey. TamperMonkey is a browser extension that lets you run user scripts like the one created by Chris and Daniel. For this tutorial, I'm using Chrome, but TamperMonkey is also available on Microsoft Edge, Opera Next, and Firefox. You will find all the necessary links in the description of this video. Once you've installed it, pin the extension so the icon stays visible. Now, let's add the script. Go to the website with the script, again, link in the description, and copy the full script. Then, click on the TamperMonkey icon and select Create a new script. Inside the editor, delete everything, then paste the script you just copied. Before saving, there are a few important tweaks you may need to make. First, make sure you're on the right Amazon region. The script is set to work with Amazon.com, but if you're using Amazon.co.uk or another region site, you will need to change that. Go to line 7 in the script and replace .com with .co.uk or wherever region you're in. Second, let's speed up the script. By default, the script downloads one book every 5 seconds, but you can make this much faster. Go to line 96 in the script and change 5000 to 1000 for 1 second intervals or 500 for even quicker half a second downloads. Once you're done, click File, then Save. Now the script is added and enabled in TamperMonkey. Important note here, your Amazon language must be set to English for the script to work. If your account is in a different language, the script won't work. Just switch it to English and you should be good to go. Alright, let's test it out. Go to Amazon, then Manage My Content and Devices. Click on Books and you will see a big green trigger download button. Also, you will see number 1 next to TamperMonkey icon, meaning the script was triggered. Click on the download button and let the script do its thing. you should see each book downloading automatically. At the top right, you can check your download history to see where the files are going. If you're using Chrome, your books will be saved in the Downloads folder by default. If you're using another browser, just check your browser settings to find the saved files. Now you may be wondering, I have the books, what's next? Well, you can transfer them to your registered Kindle device using a USB cable, so you always have access to them and they're not gonna go anywhere. You can also try to remove DRM protection from them so you can read the books on any device you wish. I have 2 videos to help with that, but keep in mind you will need a Windows machine to do it. It's slightly more complicated than this process, and it's a hit and miss getting the DRM protection removed. But if you're still interested, I will leave a link at the end of this video for you to check out. And a few important extra notes before we wrap this up. First, Amazon displays up to 25 books per page, which means the script will only download 25 at a time. Once it finishes, you will need to manually switch to the next page and run the script again. Yes, this means a few extra clicks, but it's still way faster than downloading books one by one. Now, if you want to automate page turns, there's another script by LFH Bento that does exactly that. It automatically moves to the next page and starts downloading without needing a button press. However, this version didn't work for me out of the box. Instead, I used the slightly updated version from the comments section under his script, and that one worked perfectly. So I will link that in the description so you can try it yourself if you wish to. The setup is exactly the same as before. Just add it to the tamper monkey, make sure it's enabled, and you're good to go. Also, this script doesn't have a download button. It automatically starts downloading books after 5 seconds. Second important note, if you don't see the green trigger download button, don't worry, try refreshing the Amazon page and in most cases it will appear. If that doesn't work, you may need to remove and re-add the tamper monkey extension. That fixed the issue for me. Third, by default, the script will select your first registered Kindle. If you want to choose a second registered device, you will need to replace line 78 of the script with a piece of code I've included in the description of this video. Once you make the change, again, save the script, refresh Amazon's site and try again. And if this video helped you, please like the video so it reaches and helps others. Also comment below if you have any feedback and please consider subscribing for more cool e-ink reviews and content that I'm working on. And hey, if you want to hear my take on what's going on with Amazon, what's kind of affected and what's not affected by these changes and the drawbacks of this whole thing, check out this video right here. That's all from me for now. All the best and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!